Hi there, welcome to the channel. My name's Zach, and if you're anything like me, you find cleaning your spokes a real pain in the ass. So because I find it quite irritating to clean the spokes, I'm going to try this and one of these, which I bought on Amazon, and I'll let you know how it goes. So as you can see, my rims are really quite dirty, and we'll see if these products work. It's really difficult to clean, it's a faff to get the actual spokes. So I just generally don't do them, but that's obviously not good.
The instructions on the bottle say that you should spray it on and leave it for a minute. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing. So after a minute, you can use a brush or a sponge to rub down the rims and kind of get all that soap into the places. Then the instructions say use some water and a sponge and just clean off all the soap off the rims. So that's what I'm doing here. So my rims were really dirty, so I actually went twice over, just to give it a fair chance. I found with the brush I wasn't able to get in the close areas, like right up next to the spokes, like over here. And I found like the brush, I felt like the sponge was the best thing to kind of get these tight areas. And as you can see also on the spokes, it doesn't seem to work on the spokes that much. And again, the brush didn't do a good job. As you can see, there's still bits and pieces left over, and here's a before and here's an after, so it did clean it a bit. Okay, so there you have it. I used those products to try and clean my rims. I don't think it did any better than soap water would have done. To be fair, I think it was mainly designed for brake dust, and I used them on my car, which the front rims get covered in brake dust, and it worked really well for that. So would I recommend it for cleaning your spokes on your Tenere? Probably not. I think soap water and a sponge does the trick fairly well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.